I know nothing. Zero. I'm coming from square zero.
You guys ready to go?
I'm really excited to play this game and, you know, maybe have a great story to tell back home. Here we go.
Nice. Hey! Good beat, good beat.
Oh, today's been so fun. I was not expecting a hands-on workshop, so I thought they were just gonna show us a video, but this is really fun.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah! This is amazing. It's like, I feel like a child again with a new toy, living the American culture live. Now that I know the rules, I know the passion behind the game, it's like different.
Boom, there we go.
Education is an adventure, and graduate education is a bigger adventure.
The Rice community has been so fantastic to me, and I've heard that from other people as well. So we're really, really privileged to be here.